Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every week. So stay tuned. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every week. So what is up, guys? What is up? Welcome back to the series. So what's been going on, guys? What's been going on? Let's check it out. I'm going to hurry it up and go bring up the old phone here. So let's see what's been going on with our assets. Let's see what the week has brought us, guys. Our portfolio, let's check it out. Our portfolio should have 356.57, give or take, depending on when you purchased. Top of the charts with Fetch AI. Fetch AI is still doing amazing, guys. Our $20 is like 75 bucks. So that is still awesome, still amazing. Bitcoin, we don't see any dramatic swings there. We invested in Bitcoin twice, but man, we're getting ready, guys. We're getting ready to freaking take off. We're at 70,000, guys. $70,000 Bitcoin. I'm telling you, this year, it's a year of the $100,000 Bitcoin, guys. $100,000 Bitcoin. No joke. So, next in line, Solana. Solana's still doing pretty good. Almost up to 40 bucks at $37.89 for our little, $18. So, still doubled, guys. Next up is Uniswap. Uniswap is actually going through some drama right now, but they're standing strong. They're holding their ground. I think they're getting sued by the SEC for something, but, more on that later. Still holding strong, and they're not cutting anybody off. Trading is still business as usual. Next on our list, Threshold. Threshold coming in at $21.18. So we're still like $3 up, guys. We're still like $3 up from our threshold. XRP, we are up $2 on XRP. Internet Computer, we are up $1, dollar and some change. Stellar Lumens, we're lingering about the same as when we invested. Crypto.com, about the same when we invested. What else we got here? Magic Token, we're a couple cents under, but no big D. Same thing about Shib. We're a couple cents under, but no big D. We invested when the market was uptrending, so it doesn't matter. Most of these bottom ones we invested when the market was uptrending, so of course it's going to go down. Anyways, next is Polygon, Decentraland, and Cosmos doesn't count because that's $5 I staked a long time ago. But Shiba Inu still lingering around. Pretty much the same, guys. Pretty much the same. Polygon, we're $1, $2, $1.50 short around there, $2 ish. Actually, $2.80, something, or 20 cents like that, something like that. Decentraland Mana, we're down like $4, which is not bad right now. If I were you, I'd actually put in another $20 on Decentraland while they are down. Same thing with Polygon, same thing with Shib. Not sure about Magic. I mean, I like Magic. I would invest another $20 if I could. But today's token, we're actually going to invest in Atom. Atom Token Atom. Why? Because this is a pretty freaking stable token, guys. This token's been around for a long time. And, you know, they're doing things. They're doing things, guys. They are definitely doing things. And you can stake. If you're not in California, this is the whole reason why I'm picking this token today, is because you can stake this token. Like I said, it says right here, you can earn 5.56% APR on your Cardano, on your Atom. So, on your Cosmos, we'll go ahead and click on earning balance. So you can see that little disclaimer there that, you know, they updated for California residents, which suck. But whatevs. So, lifetime earning is 1 Atom. As you can see here, you know, all these rewards. There's been a ton of rewards since I've had this token. Like I said, guys, I've been staking this token for so long, and then I sold, and whatever I had left over in there just lingered on to get me to this $5.28 from doing absolutely nothing and having nothing. Kind of reminds me of that Futurama episode where Fry has like 32 cents or 28 cents in his bank account, and then when he gets to the future, he's a multi-billionaire. We got $5. Anyways, guys. Let's see here. Let me see. Let's see what's going on with Cosmos. What is Cosmos? Cosmos, denoted by the Atom token, is a decentralized network that aims to address certain issues in the blockchain industry. It proposes a solution to the limitations of proof-of-work protocols, such as slow transaction speeds, high costs, scalability issues, and environmental impact. So basically, they're taking a jab at Bitcoin here, because Bitcoin is proof of work, and in order for you to earn, you got to mine on your computer, on your mining rig, on whatever you're going to mine on, but you need hardware. You need lots of hardware. You need lots of energy to cool the hardware down. And sometimes those transactions can take a while. Sometimes they don't, but sometimes they can take a while because people are trying to get in. Anyways, I'm not going to read all this stuff, guys. Look at all that. It's freaking crazy. There's a ton. You can go ahead and click on their website. You can go check them out. I'm just going to give you the pick of the day. So without further ado, guys, let's just go ahead. Let's just go ahead and click on there. And all right, let's just do our little $20 here. What's going to give us 1.2 Atom. We're going to review the order. I'm going to take my quick screenshot real quick, and we're going to buy. We're just going to buy, guys. We're just going to get straight to it. Why freaking wait? So, I'm going to go ahead and refresh there. Going to refresh again, and there we go. $18.65, getting us 1.7 Atom. And we are officially evolved in Atom, guys. We are officially evolved in freaking Cosmos. So, guys, you know what? I'm just going to hurry it up because I want you guys to see this video. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, and we will see you next time. Peace!